Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to air fry 2 big old ribeye steaks. These are some big old steaks, y'all. I got them from Aldi. And I never buy steaks this thick. But I had Instacart shop for me. So she got these big old steaks. So we can probably get off of these 2 or 3 times each. So I'm just rinsed them. They're frozen, but I still rinsed them off. And we'll be having these little bitty buttery potatoes with them. These little bitty ones. Oops, I'm dripping. I already rinsed these off. So I'm gonna cook them skin and all. So we'll be eating the skin and all. That's where the nutrition is, in the skin. Okay, I'm gonna lower this and show you what I'm doing. Okay. I'll be using this CruxGG 9-quart Trizone Air Fryer. And it's called that because I can cook in this side, or take this divider out and cook in the whole thing. So that's what I'll be doing today. I'll just cook in the whole thing. And I bought a rack that will fit in here. It didn't come with it. This fits in my air fryer. So I'm going to take these out. Taking the divider out. Walter, when you put this back in here, the arrows go down. There's arrows on here? Okay. I know you washed it before. Put that back in there. I'm going to put some foil in here. I don't like cleaning stuff.
I cleaned it last time.
That's what I'm telling you, to put the thing in there with the arrows down.
Oh boy.
Okay, I'm putting foil in here in the bottom so you can catch all the drippings. You see that? Yes, you can put foil in your air fryer. I get that question all the time. Now I'm putting this rack that I bought from Amazon in here. See? Rack in here. Now, I wash these little potatoes. I'm putting them in this pan so they can cook alongside the steak. These potatoes are naturally yellow and buttery. There. So I'm going to spray them with some olive oil and I'm going to season them. So this is going to one side of the air fryer. Then I'm going to... This man never fails. He come in here stirring up stuff. Always. Okay, I'm going to turn this camera around.
You turning it around.
It never fails. He likes doing that, I think. Okay, I'm going to put some mustard on the steak. Then I'm going to season it. Yes, I put mustard on steak. Okay, where's that brush? I'm going to use this brush. Here's the mustard. Oh, your God. You don't want that? Now you calling on the Lord? Oh, your God. What? You don't like the way I cook? I ain't got to cook for you.
You love to cook for me.
Sure, somebody else would be glad to have me cook for them. Okay. saving enough for the other side for when I flip these steaks. Okay, now I'm going to, you know what? I think I'm going to spray this rack with some olive oil. I don't want no sticking going on. Okay, now I'm going to season. I'm going to use my sweet mesquite seasoning. This gives it a smoky flavor. And when you got seasoning like this, always shake it up first. You know what? I can season these right on this rack.
Both sides.
You shaking what on me, man?
Oh.
He about to get jumped. Put these in here so I can season them in here. And they fit in here nicely. Everything's in here side by side. Okay, put this in the sink. Throw this away. Okay. I'll show y'all so far how I got this in here. See the pan in there with the potatoes and the two steaks side by side. They fit on this rack. Okay, I'm gonna use the sweet mesquite seasoning. Okay, the camera cut off. Okay, so I'm not sure how much you saw. I had to put another card in here. So this is what's going on. I season these potatoes. I season the steaks. I'm not through seasoning the steaks. I'll spray some olive oil on the potatoes. Put some this on the potatoes and some pepper. This is different color peppercorns. White pepper, black pepper, red pepper, and green pepper up in here. And put some Worcestershire sauce on the steaks. Hope it sprays. Yeah, somewhat. Oh, it's dripping. Okay, there you go. Now you can hear it. Okay. And put some 14 spices. There's no salt in here, so I can shake this freely. Herbs and spices up in here. More flavor. I'm putting it on the potatoes too. So like I said, we're gonna eat the skin. Oh, this Worcestershire. Oh, want stuff going everywhere. Okay. Put some granulated onion. And I'm just seasoning one side of the steak right now. And I'm using some granulated garlic. Ooh, I don't want that much. Put it on potatoes too. And I'm not going to use any salt. Okay. And put some more oil on these potatoes. I want them nice and soft. Okay. I got Worcestershire everywhere. Okay. Now that's good. Okay. This air fryer is sitting on a glide mat. They come in sets of 3, large, medium, and small. So this is on the large one, and Walter's air fryer is on the medium-sized one. And it makes it easier to pull your air fryer and other appliances away from the wall. Okay, let me turn this on. Dual mode. Set the left side first to air fry. Say 400 for 20 minutes. I'm gonna leave it. Then I'm gonna set the right side. Air fry. Same time, 400 for 20 minutes. Now turn it on. So, of course I'm going to check on it, because I don't think I've ever cooked steaks this thick before. And I got to see how the potatoes are doing. And I'm going to have to flip the steaks, because they are super thick. So I will be back. And like I said, I'm going to season the other side of the steak when I flip it. And they've thawed out some, so the seasonings can really sink in. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, here's my steak. That's a huge steak. I can probably eat off of this 3 times. I haven't put any sauce on it yet. The potatoes. Trying to get a thumbnail. That's good. Okay, I'm going to cut into the steak before I put any sauce on it. Let me check the temp. Hope it's done. I want medium well. This is 136, and I think it should be 140. Let me go over here. That's 140. That's 135. Toward the ends is 140, over 140. That's over 140. Well, I'm going to cut into it. Like it's pink toward the center. There's a little pinkness toward the center. Let me cut a potato. Nice and soft. I'm gonna put some, I just got a tiny bit of A1, so I let Walter have that. I'm putting barbecue sauce. Come on, tiny bit of this too. I like sauce. My brother, he don't put sauce on his steak or his ribs. Oh, he started putting it on his ribs in his old age. I'm gonna taste the piece. I got to raise this so y'all can see. Okay. Piece of inch or 1.5 inch thick ribeye steak cooked in the air fryer.